Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this grungy, smoky, Genevieve inspired look with a banging highlight and a big bright inner corner. Something really grungy and different to what I've normally done on my channel. There's no sparkles, there's no cut crease, there's not a lot of colour. It's very all matte and toned down. Great for nights out, concerts, festivals, something nice and quick. And if you're lazy, it can be your next day's smoky eye. It's fine, especially if you're at a festival and you're waking up. This is just something casual glam, something really understated but with a really big impact. I've got nothing on the top line other than shadows and really thick lashes. The lashes are my Mum Mitchell's. I really hope you like the video. If there's anything you want to see next or any ideas, let me know. I'm on a roll. We've had 2 videos up in the space of a couple of days, so I hope you enjoy this one and follow it through. Thanks. So I've already got the base down on my eye. I've just used the Revolution Cover and Conceal in shade C4 just so that I've got something down on the eye for the eyeshadow to stick to, and so that my brows are sort of already kind of carved in the shape that I want them to be. The palette I'm going to use today for the smoky eye is the Huda Beauty one, believe it or not. Even though it's mainly a predominantly pink palette, I'm going to be dipping into this to do the smoky eye. So the first colour I'm going to use from the palette is the shade Henna, which is just this shade down here. I'm going to put that all into my crease and into my outer corner, same on this eye as well. And all I'm doing is just kicking it out a little bit in a wing sort of shape. I'm going to take the shade Sandalwood, which is in this bottom corner, and dip it into Demure as well and buff that out. Now what I'm going to do is the scary part. I'm taking Black Truffle, which is the deepest, darkest shade on there, the black, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. This is the part I feel like normally that scares most people. Going in with black shadow, I think no one likes it. I feel like everyone thinks, oh my god, it's going to go to crap, everything's going to go crap, but don't worry. I'm just taking a nice flat brush so I can pack it all over the lid. This is just a Spectrum A16. And you want to take it just slightly above the crease, not massively, just so it's a little bit easier to blend out. Now I've got that down, just to deepen that and buff it out slightly easier, I'm going to take the shade Cocoa mixed with a bit of henna and buff that harsh line we've got going on with that black out. So now I've got the top part done, I'm going to take the Illamasqua gel liner and we're going to put this into my waterline. Not on the top, we're not having any of the gel liner on the top for this one. And you want to take it and go between your lashes as well. That's what's going to stop you from getting that weird like white gap. There we go, so you've got that on. No white lines, no gaps, because I feel like that's what ruins the illusion of a line when you waterline, is when you've got those gaps. So now you've got that on. And then we're going to take henna again, and we're going to just go over that and buff that in nicely. Now I'm just going in with the black. I'm going to buff the harshness of that line out. now you've got the basis of a really deep, dark, smoky eye. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go off camera, match up the other eye, and then we'll go through every other step together on camera. Are you alright? But that is the deep, dark, smoky eye that we were after, with a bit of browns, really, really deep and dark. Very Jamie Genevieve. So I'll go off camera, do this side, and then I'll come back and we'll do the whole face, the brows, the lashes together. Hi, so I didn't realise my camera wasn't recording, but I've just stuck my lashes on. Just going in now, and I'm just going to put some inner corner highlight and some underbrow highlight in, just to really give it that bit of a pop and make it look just a little bit different. It really does make it pop just by doing that. And I'm just using the Doll Beauty highlighter as always. And I'm going to take that under my brow bone as well. So now I've got my inner corner highlighted. I'm going to add a pinch of pigment, and this is 118 Inglot, so it's a nice bright one, again just to the inner corner, just to make it pop that little bit extra and give it a little bit of extra something. Really give it that nice intense sparkle, because I feel like if you're having such a smoky eye, it's nice to have something that like almost brightens it up. Now the smoky eyes are on, we've got all that done, dusted. We're going to move on to the face, because right now this looks so intense because there's nothing else going on. We've got these really, really dark eyes, but you can see you've got the darkness going into like the warm browns. You've got the nice inner corner to bring it all out of itself, and we're going to crack on with the face. So as always, first thing I'm going to do is prime. So I'm going to use my NARS Radiance Primer. But it's all over my face. It gives your skin like a really nice glow. Like, look at the difference. It is lush. It's such a nice primer. It does its job as well. I'd never used a really glowy, sheeny primer before, but even when I went and tested this one out, I could see the difference on my hand of how glowy and radiant it was. So it's really, really nice. It's nice to just have on your skin even if you're not wearing any makeup. The foundation I'm going to use today is Inglot 77 HD with a drop of the Inglot AMC Face and Body Illuminator, because it gives your skin a really nice glow to it, in addition to giving you that really full coverage. Going in with my massive Nashi Flawless foundation brush and just patting it onto my skin. Now I'm going in with the Inglot All Cover Concealer, because we may as well stay consistent with what we're using on the face. Again, we're buffing and blending this in. Got that nice glow under the eyes. So now that's like your base on, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and pat that all over. I'm just going to take it and pat it into the under eye. That's the face set. Now I'm going to go with my trusty nails again. I'm going to use Laguna bronzer. This isn't actually Laguna, it's Casino, the darker one. I'm not doing it as chiseled today, so I've not used the contouring stick. I'm just literally going in with the deeper bronzer. And I'm going to take instead for blush Modern Mandarin by MAC. It's a really nice peachy colour, just so that it warms my face back up again. So So I'm just using Inglot Brow Gel to go over my brow, and then I'm going to carve it out with the JLo brow. That's that one brow on, got nice and carved out, nice fade. I just find I prefer a fade on the brow over anything else. We're gonna highlight. So I'm gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime to spray down my face first, and then pop my highlighter on, because that just gives you a bit of a better glow, makes it more intense. You can do this with eyeshadows as well. If you have sparkly eyeshadows, you can spray this onto your brush and it's going to make your eyeshadows more intense. But we'll give this a quick spray. And I'm using the gold, as always, Doll Beauty highlight, because I do need to get a new highlight to try. I've been using this one for far too long. Same on this side. The more wet your face is, the more intense it does go. Above the brow. This just translates, it just makes your face look like it all blends in. We'll do it above the lip as well. That's the highlight on. So Doll Beauty highlight is lush, it gives you such a nice glow. So we'll move on to lips now. The lip shade I'm going to use Illamasqua Buff, which is a really nice like brown sort of shade with a bit of a pinkish tone to it. And I'm going to use the Barry M Chocolate lip liner as well. Just because I feel like it just needs something extra. I'm going to take Honey Love again by MAC. I'm just going to bronze it in the middle, just to light and create a bit more of a 3D effect. And that's that. It is a really nice colour. They're a really nice two blend. If you like a nice nudie brown, then they do stay on really well. They are really good, the Illamasqua ones. I don't know if this is discontinued. I've had it for absolutely ages, but it's called Buff and they last you a lifetime if you're like me and you're obsessed with buying lipsticks and stuff. All I'm going to do now is take the Mascara Revolution mascara and pop that onto my bottom lashes. It's a really good mascara. And again, it's cheap. I think if you're in the market for some cheap, affordable makeup, I'd just go straight to Revolution and grab everything, because there isn't really anything they do that I've tried and is absolutely terrible. Like, everything that I've tried of theirs is really incredible for the price as well. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. It's really smoky. It's what I've been promising to do for however long. It's all blown out. You could wear this if you were going to a festival, concert, night out, if you like that sort of grungy look. It's still everyday. It's quick. It's just really heavy if you like it really heavy. There's no liner on the top. I've literally just used the thick Mitchell lashes, and I think that brings it all together. It's not going to shift. It's something really different if you're not into the cut crease. If you like everything matte, it's a really nice one. You don't even have to go ham with the highlighter if you don't want. I just think it just brings everything together. Same with the inner corner, you don't have to do that. I just think it just gives it a little bit of extra something, because as you know, I am a big sparkle, bright colours girl. This isn't like my go-to, but it's something that I do like to do from time to time. But I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. I hope you can follow it and give it your own twist. It's very Jamie Genevieve inspired. I'm obsessed with her, and this was something that as soon as I said it, I thought, right, I'm going to try something completely different. So I hope you liked it, and there'll be more videos to come. I'm on a roll now, so we'll see what the next one brings. But thanks for watching.